It's a present. What you got there?
Open it.
Open it. Uh-oh, there you go. What you got there? Oh, he's hungry.
Yeah.
Oh, he wants his bottle.
Well, here. Sit here with your bottle. Sit here with your bottle. Here.
Here, Pop. That's from Danny Girl. From Aunt Danny.
Look.
I'm not interested. Oh, he holds his bottle. What you got there? What you got there? Look at me holding his bottle. Open your present. Open it for me, babe.
Looky. Looky.
What'd she get you?
Looky. I said.
Oh, look.
You got another one up there.
Little Polo. He's hungry. Look at him. Little house shoes. Those are cute. Those are really cute. That's a cool diaper.
Whoa! Good thing Mommy's leg was there.
Dang it, I missed that on camera too. Did you see your diaper cake?
There should be another one.
Did you see your cake? Look at your cake. There's another present from Danny. And another present from Danny.
There's more clothes back there. I put them back there.
Look at his shoes.
Look at this one.
She on a size 6. That's awesome.
Yeah, he can wear them.
You can wear them now, yeah.
Just to have them.
Okay.
Here.
He's a cool kid, cool kid.
Open this.
Look at your bows. Look at your bows, baby. Look at your bows. You take it down? Yeah, tear it. Tear it. He's like, do it for me. It's cute paper. What you got there?
What is that?
What is that?
No, I like his face like this.
Oh, look, it's a Very Hungry Caterpillar book and video, I think. Or no, book and the toy.
Huh.
And then this is the video. So, like, we can watch it and then read along to it, too. Okay. Huh? Look at your diaper cake. Oops, did I snap you?
No.
Look, he's going after the caterpillar now. Looky, looky, looky. Another video.
Oh,
What is that? A stick?
yeah, it was like a stick.
I was holding up the thing. I want to take a picture of it before we...
There was no real way to get into it.
Oh, I have to cut it, huh? Well, yeah.
Oh, wait, there you go.
Oh, there you go. It's really cute. Look at the toys. You see your cake? Look at all the little caterpillars. Look at those, are cute.
Mm-hmm.
Picture time. Isaac, can you say hi to the camera? Say hi. Say hi. Isaac, say hi. Roll him up. Roll him up. You see your cake? Patty cake? Patty cake. No? Alright, we'll eat.